So let us start the next topic, insurance, insurance services. While insurance services are provided by the business concerns also, it is one of the department of commerce who provide the services for uncertainty, what is to be happen in future, they are insured it. It is a part of the commerce where they provide the services of the uncertainty, what is to be happen in future, no one can know. So insurance department is a department who provide the services of to cover the uncertainty what is happen in future. They are insured it and to provide the service to the businessman for any uncertainty in future. So insurance is a contract between insurer and insured. While it is a contract between the two people who want to be insured and the company who provide the insurance or uncertainty in future, they are with them for the person who insured, in which insurers agree to make good the loss of insured or happenings of an event in future. What is to be happen in future, no one can be know. So the insurance company provide that service. If there is any mishappening in future, they are with the insurer. Event in consideration of a regular payment called premium. While take that this insurance, insurer may pay a regular premium, that is monthly, yearly, quarterly, half yearly. There are several modes as per the terms and condition. They pay a premium. For that premium is a certain small amount which is to be needed to take the insurance policy and the agreement between the insurer and insured. For this, they make a certain regular payment that is known as premium. The agreement of the contract is in written as known as insurance policy. While we are taking a policy, it is an agreement between the insurer and insured. Always the insurance policy in written form and signed by the insurer and insured, and they all term and conditions of that policy are written in the insurance policy. So there are some important terms. There are some important terms while we are using insurance. So they are as follows. The important terms used in insurance contract are as follows. The first is the insurer. Insurer is the individual or firm known as insurance company which agrees to compensate the loss to insured. That is insurer. It is a company who provide the insurance to the insurer for any loss is happen in future. They are with the insurer. They are with the person. The next is the insured. Insured is that individual people who want to cover their risk. That individual person is known as insured. Insured is the individual or firm who gets compensating of loss. Insured pays regular amount of premium to the insurance company. The next is the happening of the events. It is very important while we are taking an insurance company, happening of an event. While we are taking an insurance policy of theft, loss by theft, and there is a happening of fire, then insurance company do not cover the risk of fire because we are ensuring the loss of theft, not loss of fire. That is happening of an event. It refers to the subject matter of policy or the kind of loss covered under the policy. For example, in fire insurance, the loss is compensated only if it is due to fire, not by any other cause. So whatever the cause is specified in the insurance policy, only that risk is covered by the insurance company. That is happening of the event. The next is the premium. Premium is that small amount which is regularly paid in a different intervals as per the specified in the insurance policy to cover the loss in the future. It refers to an amount paid quarterly, half yearly, yearly, or annually by the insured to ensure for getting compensation at the time of loss. So there are several definitions given by the insurance companies, or we define the definition of the insurance by different authors on the given in the insurance policy. So the insurance is a device for transfer of risk of individual to an insurer who agrees for a consideration to assume to a specific extent losses suffered by the insured. Thank you and have a nice day.